first thing that you're going to need to do is take 4 large ripe bananas. Those ones are overripe. And then put them in your big bowl like this. There's 1. There's 2. Putting the bananas in the bowl. Look at that. It's so overripe. Don't expect to do this without getting your hands dirty. And there's 4. Next thing you're gonna need to do is put 3/4 cups of white sugar. Take your half cup measuring cup. Oh my gosh. Mash your bananas with this masher, or any masher of your choice. Now that it's fully mashed up, next thing you're gonna need to do is crack 2 eggs or any yogurt of your choice. 2 eggs. 1. And that makes 2. And now mix it, mash it. Next you need 1/3 cup butter or margarine. It smells good. It smells good. It smells like popcorn. After you put the butter in, you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I already got them right here. What? After that, you need half a teaspoon of salt. I chose Himalayan pink salts because they're extra salty. Now this is not in the recipe, but if you want your muffins to have this little extra taste, I'd recommend using Tippett's Pure White Chocolate or Tippett's Pure Dark Chocolate. I'm gonna do white chocolate because I am a big fan of it. Use half of it. After you're done pouring the chocolate, use all-purpose flour. I already have a lot sitting in the corner of the kitchen. Next, you're going to need to bake 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or for the metric people, I'm going to have some Chippets while I wait for it to heat up. Yep, it's 375. So now Mommy has put the paper things, and now Mommy's going to pour it into all 12. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's like 9:06 p.m. and I have no internet, so the best thing to do is to edit this video.